What is up, guys? Brittech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on and off battery charging optimization. So let's get into it. Go to your settings and scroll down to battery and select it, and then select battery, health, and charging. Alright, so for this part, it's a little tricky because for newer phones like the iPhone 15, you would select charging optimization. But as you can see, I have the 12 Pro. So what we're going to do is go down to optimize battery charging. And as you can see, I have it enabled. Now with this option, it reduces battery aging. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So to disable this, you would tap that and switch the toggle, and then that would ask you if you want to turn off or turn off until tomorrow. And then to enable it, you just switch that toggle back on. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.